What if you could automate security testing using AI? BestRated24 does exactly that, and it's changing how freelancers protect client data. Penetration testing identifies security vulnerabilities before hackers do. Pen testing automates this process, making it faster and cheaper. BestRated24 uses machine learning to scan systems, detect weaknesses, and generate detailed reports, perfect for freelancers and small businesses that can't afford expensive security consultants. BestRated24 offers automated vulnerability scanning, real-time 3 and CONF porting. Setup takes minutes. Connect your system, select scan type, and let AI handle the rest. The dashboard is intuitive, even non-technical users can navigate it. You'll get actionable insights, not confusing jargon. A web developer used it to secure client sites before launch, saved hours of manual testing. An agency discovered critical vulnerabilities their manual audit missed. ROI is immediate when you prevent one breach. Pros: affordable, fast, beginner-friendly. Cons: limited customization for advanced users. Verdict: BestRated24 is ideal for creators and small businesses needing enterprise-grade security without the enterprise price tag. It's a game changer for protecting client data responsibly. Found this helpful? Subscribe for more AI tools that save you time and money. Drop a comment which security challenge keeps you up at night.